Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of July. And first of all, national news. Decision to suspend Rajya Sabha MPs taken with heavy hurt, BJP said. PM Modi congratulated new Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe. Supreme Court to hear play on heritage status for Ram Setu next week. No proposals on creation of new states, Centre informed Lok Sabha. Chargesheet filed against FAROOQ Abdullah in money laundering case. Odisha asked districts to step up surveillance for monkeypox. Gautam Adani, Asia's richest, eyes growth beyond India with infra projects. Amarnath Yatra temporarily suspended amid heavy rainfall, officials. 19th opposition MPs have been suspended from Rajya Sabha for the rest of the week for disrupting the session on 26th July. Parliamentary Affairs Ministry Prahlad Joshi on Tuesday assured that a discussion on price rise will take in Parliament once Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will recover from COVID. And now some international news. The heat wave in US has led to very high temperatures in large parts of the country. The debris of a Chinese rocket launch recently from Henan province are expected to fall on Earth at an unknown location, Newsweek said. Heatwave zone. Spanish city became first in the world to name heatwave like hurricanes. Lufthansa to cancel nearly all German flights Wednesday. Mexico reservoir will nearly vanishes in less than a decade, NASA images showed. Russia to quit International Space Station after 2024, news agency AFP quoting official. And now some sports news. Neeraj Chopra pulled out of Commonwealth Games due to injury in huge setback for India. Boxer Lavlina Borgohain's coach gets Commonwealth Games approval, sources said. Commonwealth Games, 2 women cricketers stay back in India after testing positive for COVID-19, a report said. And now let's have a look on business news. Sensex slipped over 250 points, Nifty trades below 16,550, IT auto stocks drag. For new 5G era, India's biggest spectrum auction starts. You can withdraw payment from abroad in parts from October, startup firm. Crisis hit Sri Lanka, pursued foreign oil firms amid acute fuel shortages. Facebook honored Meta hit with trademark lawsuit by Metax. Let's have a look on weather. On 26th of July, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 33 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.